Hey guys, welcome back to Inferno Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily design and edit YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube banners, and thumbnails directly in Canva. We'll go step by step, from selecting a template to editing text, colors, images, and even creating a professional thumbnail. So let's get started. Once you log into Canva, this is your main dashboard. Here, Canva gives you tons of ready-made templates. You can see categories like Instagram Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, YouTube banners. Each of these templates is already optimized with the right size and ratio, so you don't need to worry about dimensions. Show cursor moving around, selecting different categories to highlight them. Opening YouTube Shorts template. Let's start with a YouTube Shorts template. I'll just click on it, and Canva instantly opens a ready design. Now, if I want to change the title, I just click on the text box and type my own text. For example, Inferno Tech tutorial. I can also adjust the font style, size, and position from the toolbar above. Zoom in to show font change, size adjustment, alignment, colors and themes. Next, let's talk about colors. Canva makes it super easy to change the entire theme of your video or post. Here, I'll select the background and change it to a different color. If I want, I can also apply a brand new theme. Just one click and the whole design, background, text, and shapes change instantly. This is super useful if you want your Instagram Reels and Shorts to match your brand colors. YouTube thumbnail editing. Now, let's move on to one of the most important parts for YouTubers, thumbnails. Here's a YouTube thumbnail template. Watch how I cussed. First, I'll change the background color to something bold, like red or yellow. Next, I'll replace the face with another image. Canva lets you upload your own picture or choose from stock images. Now, let's resize and adjust the picture so it fits perfectly. After that, I'll edit the text. I can change the wording, increase the font size, and even try different fonts until it looks catchy. A good thumbnail is all about a strong combination: bright colors, bold text, and clear images. Canva gives you everything to do this in minutes. So, we've covered Shorts, Reels, TikTok templates, YouTube banners, and thumbnails. You saw how easy it is to change titles and text, switch colors and themes, replace images and faces, edit and resize text for the perfect look, and that's it. With Canva, you can create professional-looking designs even if you're not a graphic designer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Inferno Tech for more easy tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. Comment below what kind of design you want me to cover next. Maybe logo design, video editing, or something else in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.